Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Ford Escape Ambiente, stock reference number 5554. The shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 5th month 2020. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, non-power lift type, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, and a right power door mirror. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater control, sat nav, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.